Today we're gonna be learning how to knit a new rib pattern, the twisted single rib. This one is slightly more elastic and shape retaining than the usual single rib. And you can also see that the pattern really emerges more vividly. Just like the single rib, we alternately knit and purl. However, the knit stitch here is gonna be twisted. The only difference between this one and the regular one is that you do not insert your needle through the front loop, but instead you're going to be putting your needle through the back loop, exactly like that, and then just knit the stitch normally. Then we're going to be continuing with a normal purl stitch. We're going to add another twisted knit stitch here by, remember, knitting through the back loop of the stitch, and so on. If you're knitting in round, keep in mind that your stitch count is even. We're now going to turn our work on the wrong side. Here you can see your knit stitches as V's and the purl stitches as horizontal bars. And we're going to be placing a knit stitch on each V and a twisted purl stitch on each horizontal bar. It's quite simple. You just have to insert your needle through the back loop of the stitch, so from behind, and then purl as normal. Now you see another horizontal bar here, and we are gonna twist the purl. So we're gonna insert the needle in the back loop of the stitch from the back. So a little sum up, when you're knitting in rows, the right side consists of twisted knit stitches and regular purls. Then on the wrong side, going to be twisted purl stitches and then regular knit stitches. And when you're knitting in the round, all you have to do is twist your knit stitches. Happy knitting!